POV, you're harboring enemies of the state. Ooh. It's actually really nice. Today we have two Lugers. One is mine, one is Buddy's. They're both DWM. This one is 1916 produced. And this is a commercial import Luger. It says made in Germany on there with no marking on top. And they were both war bringbacks, supposedly. So USGI brought these two guns over. And the 1916 is in 9mm, and this one's in 7.65 Parabellum, aka 30 Luger. You can see it's got the normal safety markings on there. The pronunciation of that is geschmeckt. So we got geschmeckt and not geschmeckt. Got geschmeckt and not geschmeckt. Are you hiding enemies of the state? Whew. Didn't lock back. So I just shot them side by side. I would say the recoil is almost exactly the same, weirdly. Maybe the 7.65 gun shoots a little bit softer. This 1916 mag is kind of jacked up because it's so old. Luckily, Luger mags are really affordable. But they both shoot extremely smoothly. I'm super surprised, actually, how well they shoot. And the triggers are actually really nice, too. I mean, what's not to like? Hello there. As you all know, the Patriots have raised the prices on everything to stimulate the war economy. This means that the cost of production has really gone up. If you feel like supporting the channel, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, share the video, and if you want to be really good, click the link below for the Patreon.